Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Yeah, Litecoin has been following now, as it seems, our wave count so far. We've been watching for a higher wave 2 here. This seems to be playing out now. We are going to zoom in a minute. Talked in yesterday's video about this descending price channel. It would really take a sustained break out of the corrective price channel to the upside to confirm that something much more bullish is going on. At the moment, I see this only as part of a corrective move down, which would not necessarily be bearish. Short-term bearish, yes. When we talk about bullish and bearish, the context and the time frame is so important. What you can see here is it's basically only a correction to the downside after a 5-wave move up that occurred between June 22 and here July this year. As you can see, so we have a 5-wave move to the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, we are potentially in an uptrend and we're tracking a pullback in 3 waves, which you could say is short-term bearish, but overall we're tracking here a bullish scenario. Just be aware that below $56, this potential isn't most likely going to work out anymore. So the price shows short-term weakness. Very short-term, we were looking for a pullback, a move up. Why is that? Because such a wave 2 correction that we're in, this is the base case basically, consists of 3 waves. So we have already our wave 1, A wave, which is the first wave. We have our B wave, which was a triangle, and we're tracking this C wave to the downside, which ideally should unfold in 5 waves. And in this C wave, we have a wave 1 to the downside. Wave 1 to the downside, because we had 5 waves down. I've taken the subwaves out of the chart because it would just be overwhelming. We're currently working on this 3-wave move up, which I would consider a wave 2. And then we should get a wave 3, a 4, and a 5. This would be the ideal structure. It could be that we're already bottoming after this low, but it's too early to say. But we take it level by level. So you will remember from the last video that we were watching for a move higher, that we're considering this wave 2 as a flat structure. A wave overshooting B wave to the downside, C wave rally. That C wave rally could be done with one more high, because I've got a small 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe one more high. I've got 5 waves in wave C. It would only work really as a diagonal. It looks a bit choppy, but that's fine. Could also push higher. I mean, they can always extend into larger corrective structures, but considering that the A wave was so short, it doesn't necessarily need to push much higher, which is why I already added the 38.2 fib level yesterday to the chart. 85.93 is for me next resistance, next key resistance. Then we've got 87.58 and then 89. Let's see if we even get there. But somewhere in this region, I would consider a failure, or would expect a failure. It would take really a sustained break here above resistance, above the descending trend line, to confirm that something much more bullish is going on, and to confirm that price has likely already bottomed earlier than anticipated, because we don't have a very clear bottoming structure. It seems more likely at this stage that we go a little bit lower. But so far everything okay, everything going according to plan. We do expect higher at the moment short term, but eventually we'll need to look for bearish reactions to the resistance area. Yeah, that's my update about Litecoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.